Now since the trucks are apart and you want to put them back on, first thing you have to do is get the base plate. Put the base plate underneath the board. If you have a drop through, put it on top of the board and get your screws and bolts. I have one screw here, aim it correctly, get it through, and don't forget these guys. And then put the bolt on top of the screw, yeah. And do the same thing you did when you took the trucks apart. Get your screwdriver, put it inside your screw, get your skate tool, and then just tighten it a bit. So first what I usually do, grab the hanger and the wheel, get the bearings, I got one bearing here, put it inside, red side always up, that's in, push it, give it a few good pushes. Then we want to grab the spacer, put the spacer in the middle of the wheel as best as you can. And then we want to grab the other bearing and push that other bearing on top of it, red side up as well. Give it a nice tug. Yep, and that's good. Now we grab the hanger, put the wheel through the hanger, and grab the bolt that we took off. Give it a few screws. Oh yeah. First, you don't want to forget these guys. Put that before you put the bolt on. Then put the bolt on. Give it a few turns to your liking, really. Yep, and that's done. Now, you want to grab the bushing and the washer. If you've got a cupped washer, put the bushing in and the cup always before the bushing. Then you put the truck inside on top of the bushing and put your cone in with the inverted cup around the kingpin. Now you grab your kingpin bolt, put that around, give it a few turns, and that's on. And that's how you put a truck on your longboard.